Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating Packet Tracer supports EOT. Use v7 or later to avoid missing features. Next, add a router, switch, one PC, and the EOT devices you plan to use, such as a smart bulb and a sensor. Once done, install required device modules or extensions in the device inventory so interfaces appear. Make sure device LEDs and ports are visible. This lets you wire connections properly. Finally, label devices now to keep topology clear and speed later configuration. Now connect devices and set addressing. Assign static IPs or enable DHCP on the router, then verify subnet masks match. Once connected with proper cables, confirm link lights and test basic ping between PC and router. Next, open each EOT device's GUI, configure MQTT broker address or HTTP endpoint, set device ID and credentials, and map sensors to actuators. Make sure topic names and ports match your broker. Finally, save the device configs and back up the pack. Finish by verifying end-to-end communication. Ping devices, publish and subscribe to MQTT topics, and perform HTTP requests to confirm responses. Once verified, build automation flows. Use device scripts or packet tracers scheduler to trigger actuators from sensor readings. If something fails, first recheck IP addresses and gateway, then confirm ports and firewall rules. Also verify MQTT topic names and credentials. Finally, inspect link lights and console logs for errors. These clues typically point to misconfigurations you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.